everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a very special recipe, especially my favorite. So before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button and share your views. So today we are going to make aam papad, which is also known as Indian mango fruit leather. They are chewy, tangy, sweet and delicious and very easy to make. So you can make it in either two ways. You can sun dry it for 3 to 4 days, or you can dry it in an oven for 3 to 4 hours. So here I have taken two mangoes. These are the big one, Alfonso mangoes, and they were sweet in taste. So the first and the basic step is to wash them and peel them. So I washed it and peeled them nicely, and then you have to chop it. So you don't have to chop it really in a proper shape and size. You can chop it however you want, and after chopping it I'm going to add sugar. So this was sweet, so I just added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You taste your mango, and if you find it to be little tangy or sour, you can add little more sugar. So here I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar. At this time you can add food color also if you want it to make look more beautiful. So I prefer not to add much artificial things on my food. So now I blend it and make a puree out of it. So make sure there should not be any chunk. And now the next step is to dry it in an oven. So here I have taken a baking sheet and I have greased it with ghee. You can use butter or oil, and pour the mixture onto it and spread the mixture evenly. So make sure that you spread the mixture very evenly, otherwise half the part will be cooked nicely, dried nicely, and half will remain sticky. So make sure you spread it evenly. So after spreading it evenly, I will put that in the oven and I will wait for it to dry. So I preheated the oven to 170 Fahrenheit, and for me it took 3 hours to dry it. So after 3 hours, you can see it is dried completely and it looks so beautiful. See, it looks so, without adding any color, it is looking so nice. So once it is cooled down, take it out gently. So here our aam papad is ready. You can cut it in any shape you want, and if you like to gift it, so you can put a parchment paper like this and you can cut it and make rolls out of it. And for drying and for making a sun dried aam papad, use the same process. Just dry it in the sun, under the sun for 3 to 4 days, and here in this way I have arranged it and it looks so beautiful and it tasted so good. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and drop comment. I want to know how you like my videos, and please do watch other videos also, and make sure you follow me on Instagram too. There also I post so many quick recipes like daily breakfast recipes, lunch recipes, and yeah, thanks for watching.